Welcome to my channel. This video contains about iPhone 12. Watch the video until the end, and you will get to know more about iPhone 12.
The iPhone 12 is built on a fundamentally new technology, and will ultimately form the basis of future iPhones for years to come. The iPhone 12 has an attractive new design, a straightforward and complete approach to 5G, good cameras, and even better performance. Many of the new features in the premium iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max are also available in the iPhone 12 and 12 mini. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini come in 5 different colors: white, black, green, red and blue. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini with a new flat edge design combined with an aerospace-grade aluminium enclosure. The iPhone 12's IP68 rating means it can survive up to 6 meters of water for 30 minutes. All of the iPhone 12 models in this year's lineup support 5G connectivity for faster downloads and uploads, better quality video streaming, improved gaming, and higher definition 1080p FaceTime calls. Apple says the A14 Bionic chip has a next-generation 16-core neural engine that delivers 11 trillion operations per second, more than twice as many as the A12, 5 trillion, and 83% more than the A13, 6 trillion. There are new mobile accelerators that reportedly deliver up to 10 times better machine learning performance. The A14 Bionic is the first commercially available chip produced using a 5nm process. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini come with 2 cameras each, but perhaps even more importantly, that single main camera has changed. While it still offers 12 megapixels like prior phones, the lens now has 7 elements and a larger f1.6 aperture that lets 27% more light hit that sensor compared to the previous gen, which should mean brighter, less noisy, and/or blurry images in low light, and slightly less depth of field. A second 12-megapixel f2.4 ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, a 5-element lens, and a 13mm equivalent focal length, which sounds like the same ultra-wide we got in the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. Apple's Deep Fusion computational photography system, which can now be used on either camera and which Apple says runs faster on the iPhone 12. You'll be able to take night mode shots, no matter which iPhone 12 camera you're using. A new night mode time-lapse feature. Apple's Smart HDR3 system, which will automatically adjust things like white balance and contrast in photos to make them look more natural. With portrait mode, the camera creates a depth of field effect, which lets you capture photos with a sharp focus on the subject and a blurred background. The ability to shoot HDR video with Dolby Vision at 30 fps. New iPhone 12 line will be able to access faster wireless charging speeds. Pinned conversations in Messages put the people you talk to most right at the top of the list. Widgets have been redesigned to serve up info you want at a glance right on your home screen. App clips let you use a small part of an app to quickly do things like pay for parking or order takeout. iPhone Pro and iPhone Max. Available colors for the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max, which may help you with determining which color is best for you. Here are the available iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max colors: gold, Pacific blue, silver, graphite. The size of the bezels is shrinking by about 40% on all 4 sides, from 2.5 mm to 1.5 mm. This increases the device's overall screen-to-body ratio and should look very modern. Both phones have the same OLED Super Retina XDR display technology. iPhone 12 Pro. 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display with 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution. iPhone 12 Pro Max. 6.7-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display with 2778 by 1284 pixel resolution. New iPhone 12 with a brand new type of glass called ceramic shield, which it says is the toughest glass ever on a smartphone. iPhone 12 Pro is made of surgical-grade stainless steel. The steel is a much more premium material, similar to what we saw on the iPhone 11 line, and has a bit more heft and high-end feel when compared with aluminum. Its finish is also glossy, not matte. Apple made a big deal of the new LiDAR scanner. LiDAR creates accurate depth maps in nanoseconds, so objects are placed instantly and more accurately in AR experiences. LiDAR scanner for night mode portraits, faster autofocus in low light and next-level AR experiences. Pro camera system. A new day for night mode. Night mode goes wide and ultra-wide, and it's even better at capturing natural color in dim light. The new wide camera captures 27% more light. The basics are the same as the 12 Pro, 3 cameras including a wide, an ultra-wide, and a tele, with a LiDAR sensor that enables portrait photos on the wide camera in night mode. Night mode is available at all 3 zoom levels now, which is an improvement over the iPhone 11. Deep fusion kicks in for low to mind light scenes. The neural engine analyzes out unprecedented detail in the magnifying glass, the woman, and the wall. 2.5x optical zoom on the 65nm telephoto camera lets you see all that close-up detail without being right next to your subject. Difference 2 images between iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max. First camera ever to record in Dolby Vision. iPhone 12 Pro jumps from 8 to 10-bit HDR recording, capturing 700 million colors for much more lifelike video. Then it goes one better, recording in Dolby Vision, the format used by film studios. You can even edit Dolby Vision video and use AirPlay to see every last bit of the difference on the big screen. Dolby Vision recording 60 times more colors. Infinitely more spectacular. Compared to all iPhone 12 models. Compare to iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro.
Thanks for you watch the video. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and like and share. And also put in the comment for your feelings.